Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Mixamo motion from Mixamo website into iClone 8 to make it become an iClone motion file. Or you can apply in any of the iClone avatar in iClone 8. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can just go to my video descriptions, go and enter the Mixamo website, click into the first link. Right. Once you enter the Mixamo, you have to sign in. You have to log in by using your Gmail account, by using your Google account. Right, now you can see my Mixamo already finished loaded. It is at here. So the first thing what you are going to make sure is you must use the export. This is the export. So if yours is not an export, not the pink color export, then you have to go to the character here. Then scroll down. You should be able to see 1, 2, 3. These are the totally 3 pages. Go to the page 3. You should be able to see the export is here. So in order to use the export, you just need to click it, so it will automatically load the export at here. And next, go to the animations and search any of the animations that you want. Right, at here, for example, I search kick. Then let's say if I want to send the MMA kick motions into iClone 8, what I need to do is just click on that to let it load. Now you can see it is already loaded. Click download and download it as the FBX file with all this setting. Click download, and here you have to wait for a while. This is my Google Chrome browser. Now it is downloading. Just a few seconds, it will finish download. Right, once it finished download the MMA kick, once you can just click here, show in folder. Now it is inside my download folder, the MMA kick once, and at this moment I can just close the Mixamo, close it. Now, and next we are going to open the Character Creator 4 and iClone 8. So actually, you can just open any of the software and drag in. And I will give you a demo. Now I'm going to open the iClone 8, and also open the Character Creator 4. Now just wait for a while. The iClone 8 is opening. Right, now the iClone 8 is opening. Just wait for a while until it opens. And always remember, your download folder is already standby. The MMA Kick FBX file is already here. You can direct use it, but I'm going to show you how. So now we are waiting for the iClone 8. Right, now my iClone 8 already loaded. Right, I will click Window, Workplace, Standards. Just at here, Window, Workplace, Standards. This one. And as demo, I'm going to just choose a random avatar at here. A random actor, a random character. For example, this lady. Right, now she already loaded. And then just now you already download the MMA kit in your download folder. You can just drag in into your avatar. At here, the motion profile, the motion import setting, the motion profile, you have to choose the Mixamo default character. Then click convert all. It already take the Mixamo.com. This is the one actually. Just proceed. Right, you can see only alpha numeric underscore and space are valid. So now this is the file names problem. And then actually it doesn't matter if you try to play, the MMA kick is already here. So in order to save it as the RL motions, what you are going to do is go to the window, workplace, animations. And here, so click here to fit to window so that you can view it. Then you can see the motion actually is at here. Right click it, right click, save the motion clip. And as demo, I'm going to save it on my desktop and name this RL motion, the iClone motion file, as MMA kick. Save. Now you can see it already saved as a RL motion, the Reallusion motion. So now I'm going to just go back to the window, workplace, standards, and I'm going to apply another avatar. Right. I can just start a new project. I don't want to save that. As long as I already have the RL motion, the MMA kick. Now you already extract it. You already import the motion into iClone 8. You can apply in any other avatar. For example, this kit, the female kit. Now, and next, I'm going to drag the MMA kick iClone motion file into this kit and just have a look to perform. Yes, now you can see the Mixamo motion already be imported into the iClone 8 and save as RL motion file, the iClone motion file. And that's all for today about how to import the Mixamo motions into iClone 8 as iClone motion file, which you can apply in any other iClone avatar. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy animation and game developing. See you!